face in the morning, in front of the mirror, something feels off. My hair won't cooperate, my shoes aren't even squeaking, but you're the only one smiling. Hey, don't touch me, not today. It's shaking deep inside my chest. My breathing is shallow, I can't say it, only my feet float away. I feel off, and they worry it's all your fault. And they worry I feel off, but I won't leave like this. I feel off. On the way home, the light, every time I stop, I remember the cold hand in my pocket. Even if I clench it tight, it's not enough. Your words still linger, they burn, even in the corners of my ears. Hey, don't stare at me, not today. Just dancing behind my eyelids. Every time I get closer, my bravado unravels and another one falls. I'm feeling unwell, and they worry it's all your fault. I'm feeling unwell, and they worry unwell, but I won't leave you like this. I'm feeling unwell, and they worry unwell. The night is deep, I can't keep quiet. One of my true feelings, I feel like it's about to spill out. Just look at me, you know I'm feeling